This is the brief on electromagnetic force, the role of matter. So let's dive into a core principle in electromagnetism. We're going to talk about how fields, these invisible forces, actually turn into a real physical push or pull. And it turns out, matter is the absolute key. Okay, first up, the mediation of force. The big idea here is that electromagnetic force is only transmitted through charges and currents. Just think of matter, like electrons, as the essential go-between. Without it, the force has nowhere to go. So what happens if you have the fields but no matter? Well, that brings us to our second point, the Null Force Condition. You can have a space just filled with powerful electric and magnetic fields, but if there's zero charge and zero current in there, the total force is nothing. It's just gone. And finally, this really gets at the crucial distinction between fields versus force. See, fields can be everywhere. They're a condition of space. But they only actually do something. They only exert a force where there's matter present to receive that push. So when it comes right down to it, matter is the critical gateway needed to turn existing electromagnetic fields into a tangible, measurable force.